going to teach you how to slate. Whenever you do film audition or TV commercial audition, slating is really important. So now we have Nikki, and she is standing in front of the camera, and she's going to give first her name, then she's going to give her age, and then she's going to give the agency that she's represented by. So it's Nikki, 24 years old, represented by W Talent. Now Nikki's going to give us profiles. One whole profile, turn the other whole profile, and now we're going to do a full, slow turn to camera. This allows the client to review all the women and men that are auditioning for a role and see a full body, a face shot, and a side to side, so that they have confidence when they're booking you for a role that they know how you look from every angle.
Hi, I'm Nikki Corset, I'm 24